Hi guys, just a little update. I've decided to make a few changes to track. Adding a few points in there just to make a few more sidings for some rolling stock and workers and that. Sort of glad I didn't ballast it all yet. So I'm going to do that. A few other changes I made was I put this back seam in, this industrial back seam. Makes it a little bit more interesting. I've changed this backdrop as well. I got rid of the Hornby units that I had, and I put in these units that I built instead. So, and I've reinstated the coal hopper, mineral hopper there, which I felt it needed a little feature up there. So I've put that back in, and yeah, I think it works alright. It needed a little bit of something to sort of give it a little bit of height on the way out. So I think that works alright. So apart from that, yeah, I've changed a few things in the little sort of street scene. That garage there used to be up at the end there, but I've sort of put these two together and moved the flats up a little bit. So a bit happier with that. So keep all the industrial stuff to this end. So I'll make a little scrapyard in there, in this section there. That's how it's sort of evolved so far. Yeah, once I get the new points in, I'll get it ballasted and all that. I think that'll be it, because that's about the limit of track I can get in this layout anyway. So I'll do that, and that'll be that. See you next one. Right, so okay, thanks for watching.